Eastport Plaza is an open-air shopping mall located on Southeast 82nd Avenue in Portland, Oregon, in the United States. Construction began on October 20, 1959, and was carried out by the Westfall Construction Company. It was one of the biggest construction projects in the Pacific Northwest at the time and cost $5 million. It opened on October 27, 1960. Originally an enclosed shopping mall, former anchor stores included J.C. Penney, Mervyns, which replaced Lipman's, Newberry's, Albertsons, Tower Records and G.I. Joe's. It largely became a dead mall in the 1990s, particularly after Mervyns moved to Clackamas Town Center in 1988. Part of a flight of businesses and customers to the newer, larger suburban mall to Eastport South on 82nd Avenue. The enclosed structure was demolished in 1996, replaced by the current open-air shopping plaza. Anchors: Century's 16 Theaters, LA Fitness, Walmart stores, Armed Forces Recruiting Center, U.S. Air Force, U.S. Army, U.S. Marine Corps, U.S. Navy, Advanced Chiropractic Clinic, Bank of America, Dollar Tree, Eastport Dental, Equitable Finance Co., GameStop, Games Workshop, GNC, Great Clips, Green Apple Yogurt, Fujiyami Sushi Bar and Grill, Happy Teriyaki, Healthcare Medical Supply, H.K. Cafe, H&R Block, Izzy's Restaurant, Jack in the Box, Joanne, Laborworks Industrial Staffing, L&L Hawaiian Barbecue, Lee's Sandwiches, Nail Tech, Payless Shoe Sauce, Portland General Electric, Portland Police Bureau, Providence Medical Group, Ross Dress for Less, Sally Beauty Supply, Starbucks, State Farm Insurance, Subway, Taco Bell, U.S. Bank, U.S. Postal Service, Willamette Dental, Wingstop,